Today, we're going to break the tarot deck down into 5 parts: the major arcana and the 4 parts of the minor arcana. I've made it super easy to understand. The first part is called the major arcana. It's a set of 22 important cards in the tarot deck. These cards are numbered 0 through 21. Think of them as the main chapters in a big adventure story. These cards tell the story of a journey that everyone goes through in life. Imagine you're the hero of this story, starting on a big adventure. The major arcana cards are like the key moments and the most important lessons you learn along the way. Each card shows a different part of this journey, from beginning something new to learning important things about yourself and the world around you. The major arcana helps us understand our experiences and the changes we go through in life. It's like a guide that shows us the big picture of our personal adventure. So when you see the major arcana cards in a tarot reading, remember, they're telling you about the big, important parts of your journey. It's like having a map for your adventure through life. But the story doesn't stop there. The tarot deck has another part called the minor arcana. And these cards are like the little moments in between the big chapters. They show us the everyday events, feelings, and choices that happen along our journey. The minor arcana is split into 4 different groups, just like how our regular deck of cards has hearts, spades, diamonds, and clubs. These groups are called cups, swords, wands, and pentacles, and each one tells us about a different part of our daily life. Cups are all about feelings and emotions. They represent water. So when you see a cup card, it's usually talking about how you or someone else might be feeling. Wands are connected to fire, so they're all about creating things, like drawing, building something new, or starting new projects. Pentacles are linked to the earth, so they deal with physical stuff like money, houses, or anything you can see and touch. Swords represent air, which makes them all about our thoughts and the words we say. They can show what we're thinking about or how we're communicating with others. Together, these 4 groups help us understand what a tarot reading is telling us. Whether it's all about how we're feeling, what we're doing, what we have, or what we think. When you put the major and minor arcana together in a tarot reading, it's like seeing the big picture and all the little details that make up your life. The major arcana gives you the map for your adventure, and the minor arcana shows you what happens along the way, like who you meet, what you do, and how you feel about it all. In our tarot translation series, we are going to explore each tarot card one by one, making it super easy to understand. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.